you're ready.
Yeah.
Ready? Okay. All right, I got the contract sales price at $78,000. Got your settlement charges at $765.20, which are broke down on this page over here. We've got half the. To record the deed at the courthouse is $25. Half of the state tax stamps that go on back of the deed is $128.70, which is where we get the $765.20.
Okay.
Back over here to this page, we've got the county taxes. So the seller is giving you a credit for what they have owned it first of the year through today's date for $3.11. So they're paying their portion of the 2024 taxes. So you all will get the entire bill for those taxes next year.
Okay.
They're just giving you a credit for that. So after we subtract and add that in, what we asked you all to bring today was the $78,762.09. Does that look correct?
Yeah.
And that's what we got.
ขอบคุณนะที่มาเพื่อมาเรื่องที่เรา
Okay.
If that looks correct to you guys, then I will have you sign 1, 2, 3.
โอเคเพื่อการเซอร์เวย์
ชูเติมมันด้านนี้พอโคเติมปุ๊บดูแล้วนะเพื่อการใส่ยินยอมนะ
Dây dập bao
ดูได้แบบนี้
bắt được vậy
แต่ไม่ใช่โลกไว้เจอดูในการเปล่า
แนวมันต้องมาข้าว
ของมันเลือกมาเลยเขามีเกณฑ์อยู่ที่สอนอยู่
This next document is the HUD 1 certification. It just states that we went over the settlement statement and that everything on it is true and correct to the best of your knowledge.
ใส่ก่อนตัดตัวมันทำเหมือนป้ายไฟ
ไปแล้ว
This is the warranty deed. There's nothing that you all have to do on this, but once we get it recorded, what is the address that you want us to mail it to?
เมนูโชว์เอา address 401 Oda place Oda place
Is that Green Forest?
yes ma'am good for
Is it ELL?
yeah สำหรับคนที่เรียนว่าสารพูดเราไม่เป็นไรภาษาบาลีไม่ได้ร้อนมาเลยเนี่ยก็แค่เราไม่ต้องกลัวเราคือเราช่วยเราสร้างที่เราดีเราต้องกลัว
This is the affiliated business disclosure. This document just states that our company is owned by these 3 attorneys, and each attorney owns 1/3% of our company. This one is the waiver and disclosure of conflict of interest. This one states that one of those attorneys that owns the company, his name is Greg Thurman. He draws up the documents for both the buyer side and the seller side of the closing. Since he's partial owner of the company, we have to disclose that to you.
Okay.
So I've got one signature down here, and then you guys get your own page up here. This is the notice regarding closing protection letter. This is an extra insurance taken out on the closing itself in case we misappropriate the funds. This will kick in and cover both buyer and seller. You guys are already covered up to $1 million for free under our policy, so I marked no on here. Otherwise, if we mark yes, you're paying $25 for no reason. So you get your very own page. And then-
Mình chẳng phải thả ra qua làm một việc của nhà trẻ mà lại gì với ba chị dạy xem
Saya pakai ciki kalau Wali koran yang saya
This is your title policy. This is going to show what you all have purchased the property for at $78,000. You've got your legal description. You're on this page. These are the requirements that we had to meet and clear in order to put title insurance on the property. So we had to check each of these off before we can write a title policy on that. This next page is the exceptions, which is not covered. So these are gonna list your right-of-ways, your easements, your tax prorations are gonna be on the exception list. The back half of it is the privacy policy. It just states that we don't buy, sell, or trade your information to anybody. If the church starts to receive solicitation or junk mail, it's because they've searched you out on the public record. So I just need one of you to, this will be your favorite part, initial at the bottom of every page.
Initial.
Just one of you has to though.
No, lo puedo apoyar, pero.
Initial.
Ya pongo. Sí.
Do you want me to take a picture of all of you when they get done?
Sorry. Oh, yes, please, if you don't mind. Thank you.
Vale.
Do you care if we post it on our Facebook page?
Huh?
Do you care if we post it on our
Oh, yeah,
Facebook
yeah,
page?
yes.
Claro.
ဟိုဒီအခုသူတို့ပြီးလို့ရှရင်တက်မတ်တစ်ချက်ရမယ်လေသူတို့ Facebook မှာလည်းတင်လို့ရတာလေအဲဒါဆိုခွင့်ပြု
Chẳng đi vào vô rằng Nàng cũng chưa
Nằm như nó bỏ là buồn à?
ပေါ့ဟုတ်ကဲ့ရှင်းရတာပေါ့
Cô làm như nó đổi chê không? Tôi làm như nó đổi chê đó.
Anh cứ cho anh bây ạt
Đi ra mà bay ăn. Bao phút ra cái thông ra rồi.
Cái một con là men
sorry
No, you're fine. This is the closing disclosure and certification, which is several documents rolled into one. The first of which you accept any covenants and restrictions that are on the property. Errors and omissions agreement just states that if I have any clerical errors on any of my documents, that you would re-sign them. The real property tax prorations are based on 2023's taxes. Since we pay a year behind, we don't truly know what 2024's will be. And the next one, the survey waiver request just states that Kings River Title doesn't survey the property ourselves. The next one that applies to you all is the title policy disclaimer. Just states I've shown you a copy of that title policy. So, Sammy, this is your line. Your name is on this page, so. And then. All right, we're almost there. This is your seller buyer affidavit. This one states that you all are the buyers of this property, that you don't have contracts out there with anybody else, that you're of age and free of legal disabilities. The church doesn't have any liens or judgments out there on it that you all know about. This is same thing. Your line is the bottom one. And then you
Saya tak berkuat baik aja mana.
Okay, this is the last one. This one states that if the courthouse shuts down for any reason and I cannot record the documents in a timely manner, if you have a lien or a judgment on the church come up in that gap period of time, that you guys would help me clean it up. Alright, you guys, I just need each of your photo IDs, and then I will make copies of all of them.
Tahu.
这里年开始你来这好口了。
ta sự số vào đó là có thể được làm là quan mà là dễ cầm là khi mà thu lên vào là cái đó khui cầm là ta sự số vào hay lên là cái vậy cái ta cũng phải keluar dan keluar aja tahu kalau kasusnya lo boleh kita coba dan coba tak masuk itu bara
Tak berapa orang yang orang. Kalau nak kaya lah pakai pun ni, betul mula pemimo pay ni, no. Saya orang nak le kaya, do tak kena bala bahasa we, ternyata phe thua dah le sai, kalau kalau kaya pun pun ni, do kalau sih ada prefer retreat atau apa aku lali, do pasti pergi saya rumah, do pertama nak kasih le utara le pakai turun teruk, do ini pernah pakai terus saya wah kemajuan wah. Do saya tahu apa tu pada tiap pakonnya ada sih kan mesti buat itu ada ni lah, tak boleh.
You guys want to get up?
You get there with the gym.
Yeah.
oh dia mau apa ya
Awak dia buat macam ni. Ada dia buat apa dah waktu.
ya close
to send these to your phone too, Lauren? Okay. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming in. Congratulations.
Oh, by the way, this newspaper, can we keep it here?
Yeah.
Because my son is on the newspaper. Stanley found it. That's neat. So this too neat. We didn't know that.
Yeah, take
He
it
wants to
with
keep
you.
this.
Yeah, take it with you for sure.
Thank you.
That's neat.
Yeah.
So did you know before you came in here that he was
He
eating?
didn't know. He opened it suddenly.
I just read, I just read.
He'll be excited.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Sammy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Terima kasih. Kita baru makan mana ya?
Oh, yeah. There you go.
在里面。
Yang ini.
More of it for you later.